This is a Storm Team Alert, certified as Central New York's most accurate.
Good morning. Time now is 7:40. We're not in a storm team alert necessarily for what's going on right now, but to prepare you for what's going on later today. Our temperatures right now, 42 degrees at the Syracuse airport. That's just about the warmest that we're going to be all day, which is warm for this time of day, this time of year, but our temperatures are going to be falling through the 30s throughout the rest of the day. We're pretty quiet today, or this morning, not much on Live Doppler 9, just some showers that are going to be passing to the east of Lake Ontario. So Oswego County, Jefferson, Lewis, you're not out of the rain showers this morning just yet. This is all part of a system that's off to our west. We have a stalled front right along the New York-Pennsylvania border. This is going to be acting as kind of the battleground between the cold air and the warm air. The southern tier topped out in the 70s yesterday while we were stuck in the low 50s. Take a look at this high pressure. This high pressure is going to try to be funneling in much colder Canadian air. That's going to be changing our rain showers over to a freezing rain, maybe even a little bit of snow for the North Country. Our ice accumulation with that freezing rain, that high pressure is going to be funneling in the colder air, especially along the shoreline of Lake Ontario. That's where you see the higher ice accumulation totals. That and for higher elevations in Oneida County, for Oneida, Rome, some higher totals there. This is where it's going to be the iciest. I think the farther south you travel, you'll get in on some freezing rain, but not a whole lot of accumulation. Higher elevations and farther closer to the shoreline of Lake Ontario, I think, is where we're going to see the ice first, and I think that's where we're going to see the ice longest. So let's take you through your timecast starting off 9 o'clock this morning. We're pretty quiet, we're cloudy. Temperatures already going into the 30s. Notice by 2 o'clock this afternoon, Watertown areas north dealing with some freezing rain, but we are still quiet. I think we'll be quiet for most of the day until this evening. Once we hit about 7, 8 o'clock, that's when most of the southern tier gets in on some most of the central New York gets in on some freezing rain, and that continues overnight into Sunday morning. So if you have early Sunday morning plans, it could be a little icy out. You want to take your time just in case. Temperatures are going to be colder, near 30 degrees. Once the sun rises, although we don't see a lot of it, I think that sun angle will help us with the accumulation of ice. Most of the day Sunday is quiet, but we do have that main system that's going to be moving through. And take a look right here. That's going to be bringing some heavy, steady rain Sunday night and into Monday. We could be looking at a ½ inch to 1.5 inches of rain through Monday afternoon. That could cause some flooding issues, especially where there's still snow on the ground along the shoreline of Lake Ontario and up near the Tug Hill. So we'll be keeping an eye on the rivers and streams up there. We have heavy rain Sunday night into Monday. Monday, pretty gloomy, wet day all in all. And then Tuesday, we get cold again. And then we have to talk about some more snow showers, but we're looking dry on Wednesday.